lets me down at the lonely lake. Before summer has gone away, swim out under a broken sky. Cold sun colored with shades of white. Wave goodbye to last summer. Cold air coming away soon. So let's lay under the falling moon. Tell me something about yourself. You never told to no one else. Say goodbye to lonely nights last summer. Say goodbye, say goodbye to lonely nights of last summer.
Hello friends, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. I'm still sipping on my iced pumpkin chai from earlier today. This is such a good drink for this time of year when it's still a bit hot outside, but I'm craving those cozy thaw flavors, and it's so yummy. The forest was so beautiful this morning, and there were all these early signs of autumn, and it inspired me to want to come home and decorate for the season. So I brought home some sticks and leaves and different things from the woods, and in a few minutes I'm going to head out and go to the craft store and pick up a few different things for DIYs. And then I just want to have a cozy day at home, decorating, listening to music, making snacks, all of the good stuff. So if that sounds good to you, grab something to drink, get cozy, and let's start this cozy day together. Michael's had such cute stuff. I went in for moss, which I got, this preserved fairy moss, but then I walked out with this guy. Isn't he so cute? He's a little hedgehog made with leaves and a few different like berries and twigs and things like that. And he was on sale and I couldn't say no, so I got him. They were also having a really good sale on their candles. These are apple and pumpkin candles that look very realistic, I think. I also got this candle for 50% off, and it has real leaves and apples in it. I thought it was so cool. And I also made a quick stop at World market and I got this apple pie chai from the Republic of Tea. It's caffeine-free rooibos tea and it has a blend of apple, cinnamon, cardamom, nutmeg, and cloves. It sounds so good. I'm going to try this later. And I also picked up a pack of this harvest tea assortment, also from the Republic of Tea, and it has flavors like pumpkin spice, pomegranate green tea, hot apple cider herb tea, a lot of really good flavors. I can't wait to try this. So it's time to start decorating. I'm going to start by dehydrating some citrus slices in the oven and using them to make some dried citrus garlands. I've seen them on Pinterest before and they're so pretty, but the one thing about drying citrus in the oven is it takes forever, like several hours. So let's start with that right away, and while the citrus is drying, we'll make some other crafts. So the citrus slices have been in the oven for about 4.5-ish hours, so hopefully they're done by now. I'm going to go check on those. And then Alex and I are gonna have a little appetizer decorating hour. We're going to make these fall drinks that we both love and a little cheese board to snack on while we decorate.
Goes round and round. or just sit beside me and never leave. I got the curtains up. I guess it would be nice if you could interrupt. It's a day like this. It's a day I really would have missed. It's getting real dark in here. Feels like I've been here 1,000 years. Could you bring some light to me? Or just sit beside me and never leave? It's getting real dark in here. Feels like I've been here 1,000 years. Could you bring some light to me? Or just sit beside me and never leave?
Let's switch up. Okay, let's try this apple pie chai. Ooh, it's really good. It kind of tastes like a candle, but in a good way, like not like a literal candle. It tastes the way a fall candle smells. So I really, really like it. So before we say goodbye tonight, I just wanted to thank you all so much for being here and for all of your support on my latest autumn videos. I've mentioned this before in a couple of previous videos, but I struggle a lot with anxiety, and it's been really scary for me to get in front of the camera, even though it's something that I have been wanting to do for a very long time. I've had a food blog for the past couple of years where I've shared recipes and DIYs and that kind of thing, but I've always wanted to take it a little bit further and share more of my life with others, because I have found so much comfort in watching vlogs from my favorite YouTubers. I've been so deeply inspired by them and how they just make me feel so happy and at peace when I watch their videos. And by focusing on creativity and just little tiny moments of my day, like making tea or lighting a candle or, you know, decorating, making a little craft or anything like that, those things have helped me look for the good. And if you're looking and you can't find it, you can create it. And that is a really powerful thing to know about yourself. You can create a lot of good in your life and in other people's lives. So that was a little bit of a deep talk for this fall decorating video, but I just wanted to let you know how much your comments and support have meant to me. I hope you have a wonderful week full of lots of cozy, comforting moments, and I will see you next time.